Welcome to Nuer Tube. Let's take a look at these phrases. Learn English and talk nath, or you can say it Nuer language. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at this phrase in talk nath and also in English. If you are new to this channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing. Okay. Ngoralat. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. Jingorilat. You are looking for a job. Kenlat. They are looking for a job. Kongonelat. We are looking for a job. Okay. Job. A lat. Melody lat. Milarjeno, I am looking for a job. Ngoralat. Chirokodi lareo. Lat ka kon kel duna ke English job can work no taken ga daga tot bana tete kul gui kel no okay chan ja kon gui kel kon kulo nyam shol shol is at work. Shol is a name of a person. Shol is at work. Shol jalet. You can see that alal guasame work jare cholet. Guadame al guadame a lot. Take a dung bukon ngai guadame. Okay, let's first learn this. Jen jalet. He is at work. He is at work. Jen jalet. She is at work. Jen jalet. It is at work. Alai e guasame e lodeni wood. She raja ka kwingo ka raja ka kwisha kenyal. It raja ka michirai ki michangach. Dong a chek dong a wood ki le ki ngum changach. Raja ajela it a beka jamona. Tem konkul da guasame chana mugit. Oh titini. Okay, let me bring you here. La traditional ke eno pronoun, okay? Pronoun. Need one don't chicken malanga pronoun, okay? Pronoun like katilalat ka gwa the dan and sha men shall ke shoot ke men sha non cha latin like an non like an watch gwa no la non lord ni shoot dora and a pronoun quantity to kon la right quit check man la commercial ke she it and I we you they and a lot ni al gwada mi titi ka pronoun ya ba kula ger commercial de commercial noun la name of anything or shall noun, okay. But pronoun katin kush noun kukana lelele kukana legela he ke she ke it no chan men gwi gwada me alam shawo en gora lat entama titi chwal ka kedi tedi shwali let me put it here again gora je ko nga tedi shwali singular pronoun, okay. Singular pronoun engu e she ke it chwal ke kedi chwal ke singular pronoun ka plural pronoun ke tiken plural pronoun I, okay, la I ke am, you know, okay chana am ku panjor chana ke we you ke they tato chwal ke plural pronouns. Mi she chunga jantam be chunga. Ala jin mi use plural pronoun ala language me abroad again. And go a lot man. I'm looking for work and go a lot. Will work for in abroad again langu bawo kalat. Okay? Me a singular, chika singular gwada me e ke she ke it we can take ba chole let. Okay? Let. We got singular. Let barogere langu allow a plural pronoun guatame I, you, they, we, and so on. Chola kedi bilat beben chikalat en gora lat jin gori lat ken gor ken lat kon go ne lat a plural pronoun namo. Ka singular pronoun chol jalet jen jalet jen jalet jen jalet. Chol is at work, is at work, she is at work, it is at work. You know, bidagdi and bisho nga chan ko ben gwasame. Let me me let me shawo jen en go jen jalet bi nga jeno na me raje kangu raje ke men chal ke singular pronoun. Okay, singular pronoun bisho nga jeno no. Okay. Ko gor jeno bidagdi bi nga tangon te tie kana kono nyon kana along chit nei tungwan chikan lon ken ni kana mal ngach ko chikan tam dien chikan lelten. Let a singular pronoun move kon kalat babanam shol konede plural pronoun. Okay. Bidagdi bisho ngach let me remove this. Okay, and that bisho ngach no more shejen she is correct bidagdian bisho ngai kata dan and they do there kwen kaja alamu guru jen class me all the time it can help you a lot. Okay, it can save you time rather than and mentitin. Okay, let come there. Okay, plural pronoun name ala plural pronoun name let let a singular pronoun and let a plural pronoun. Bi ngaja na mja jogo plural pronoun ka tekien bishu gorung bishu gor I ke you ke they ke we no no. Okay? Kama cha jogo singular pronoun ka ngune e ke she ke it. Bi ngaja no no. Let kana let te ka dek. No mi jira mo gor lat like gor je bi lat bi gor lat je na me. E lak ha ke ta lat. Mi jira mo gor let bigor lak ha keta ajen ta dan dai to ko me dai gor je dai ngai ke ja to dan gwa ye long gor je no yen bi aja practice no ajen nan go de nyo ye kel dien ne gwa me ram me this is when you are looking for a job. I am looking for a job. You are looking for a job. They are looking for a job. We are looking for a job. Gwa many Shul is at work. Is at work. She is at work. It is at work. Okay. Ano bidagdian bisho ngach ni chang gore bidagdian bidag noun ka dek pronoun ka dek adverb ni adverb gwad me atetin cheke wagamani verb adverb bitin kono ko ken biga ngach ko bigan gura taga ja la adjective ni preposition te bokono right ni chang gwan biate malwan jeg mudodian